Today we're going to give a short presentation on our project for software engineering. The topic is online product purchasing of, of a product, and the topic that we have selected is t-shirts and pants. We have developed a web application where we sell t-shirts and pants to the customers. So let's talk about the contents of the presentation. At first we'll be talking about the introduction, then we'll talk about the project management, then we'll go into the details about system analysis and design, the software engineering part, and then we'll talk about the application testing, and then we'll conclude our presentation and then do the demo. The application is a software engineering project, and it is an online shopping site selling t-shirts and pants. And the application that we have developed is using ASP.NET, and the development environment is Visual Studio. So the management of project is done by following certain steps, rules and regulations. At first, the plans for the tasks are set and the requirements are discovered, and it is studied whether the project is feasible or not. So now let's talk about the system analysis and design of the project. So this is the application architecture of our project, where it is a client-server model. So user selects products, make an order and payment in the client part, and the admin views and manages order in the server part, and the server stores payment and ordering information onto the database. So this is the application architecture of the application that we have developed. So this is the business model, where business model is a blueprint of actual business that is done in an organization, and this business model consists of important entities and depicts the work and interaction. So this is use case diagram, where use case represents various functional relationship among various actors in a system. The first actor is customer, and second actor is the system itself. So this is a sequence diagram, where sequence diagram is a chronological ordering of steps performed during application cycle. So the first step is browsing the products either in Google or any search engine. Second one is customer landing on a certain website, for example our website t-shirt and pants. Customers navigating the products, customer adding and deleting products into their shopping cart, and another one is customers making order, confirming the order, and making the payment. If all those things are successfully completed, their order has been placed. This is the domain model, where the domain model is graphical representation of the system as a whole. It highlights the major components and the tasks performed. So this is analysis class diagram, where this diagram actually depicts relationship between various entities of the system. It is used to obtain a conceptual model of the entities used in the application. This diagram gives the complete details of the entities and their tasks. So this is how we perform the testing for the application. The first category is product selection, where the user is able to select the products and the output was successful. Another one is customers placing an order that was also successful. Another one is customers making a payment, and the inputs for making payments are user information such as the shipping address, their credit card information that was also successfully processed. The last one is the admin being able to display the orders, the payment info, so that also was successful. So this is the deployment of the application where the web pages and the database are uploaded to the web server. So now let's talk about the conclusion. We are satisfied with what we have done in this project, and we have tested this application with valid and invalid data, and everything worked successfully. Now this is a simple prototype of a big online shopping site, so by including more products and offerings we can make it a more big website. So that's all about our project presentation. Thank you for listening.